Hello everyone, this is my review of this large digital wall clock. This clock comes with a mounting ruler so you can line up the holes easily to mount it on the wall. It also has a remote. The remote comes with batteries in it as well. And this wall clock also plugs into your AC outlet to give it power, but it does have the digital clock does use batteries, but it's for keeping the memory and internal time. So you use the AC power to operate the clock. It has a stand, so if you want to put it on a desk or a table, you can prop it up on the table. It's just like that. It also has manual controls on the side here in case you lose your remote. You can still operate the clock on the side there, all you need. And here is where you put in your power cord, and there's the internal batteries I was talking about. The digital display of the clock is nice and big, so you can see it from a far away from across the room. It doesn't blink like that. It's just because I'm taking it with the video. It shimmers like that, but it stays steady. I'm running through some of the settings where you can set it manually, or you can hook it up to the Wi-Fi so it automatically sets the time and date for you, so you don't have to do it manually. You can also go and set alarms on and off, and you have different alarm songs you can set it to. It also has a timer that you can set it to count up or count down from a certain number, so that's another cool feature. It also displays the temperature either in Fahrenheit or Celsius. You also can control the brightness of the display if you need to, and also the volume of the sound that it makes. This clock is a nice addition to my garage, and I hope that